To our weather right now, we've been talking about the roller coaster we've been seeing, and now it's coming in the form of an active radar.
Yeah, we've got some rain moving in across the area tonight. Actually, good sleeping weather for the tri-state here as this rain moves in with a little bit of wind overnight. That shouldn't be much of an issue out there. There's a look at radar. We've got wet weather in place across the region. You can see that at the moment, and this is going to be the trend through the rest of the night. Zoom you in across the metro. Off again, on again showers is the play right now. There's some rain up through parts of Butler, Warren counties, also Fayette, Union, Franklin counties over in southeast Indiana. None of this rain is particularly heavy, and it's not going to be overnight tonight. I don't anticipate any thunder or lightning with most of this action, so it's not like it's going to be a noisy or unsettling night in that sense. So far, our winds have been fairly tame, and they are likely to stay that way here through the overnight hours. I think our highest winds, while we'll probably see them get a little higher overnight tonight, especially towards morning, I think it comes during the day on Wednesday when those winds will be the gustiest. So right now, those gusts all within the 20 to 25 mile an hour range at the moment. So we're handling those pretty well. Show you the big picture and show you there's more rain to come, as you can see, working its way up from southwest to northeast. All of this in advance of the big storm pinwheeling in our way. What I have found interesting tonight is that really winds have been struggling to gust much more than 35 in most areas around the Midwest. There has been a 44 down there in Bowling Green, but we're not seeing those higher end wind gusts materialize, and that's why I think it's probably going to be during the day tomorrow when we have the greatest concern from windy weather. So here comes the big storm system rolling and cruising in our direction tonight with the rain that we anticipate to continue off and on through the rest of the night. Temperatures are mild, though, especially because we're ahead of this big system. We'll cool off tomorrow as we get on the back side of that, and we'll get some snow showers in here before all is said and done. So where are we temperature-wise right now? Not too bad. Still holding between 55 and 60 in most neighborhoods. So there's the shower activity continuing through the night tonight. The rain will likely let up probably somewhere 3-4 a.m. As that happens, that's when our winds will probably start to ramp up in that 35 to 40 mile an hour range. We get a break in the morning for the commute for drier times, but then we get more rain mid to late morning coming in, along with some colder air that is likely to squeeze out some flurries and snow showers across the tri-state tomorrow. While I don't have any accumulations, I can't, at least significant, I can't rule out some slush in the grass or maybe on your rooftop or an elevated surface here, but no travel issues. It may look impressive given the gusty winds tomorrow evening, and then as we get into Thursday, it's cloudy and cold to start out, but then we'll gradually work our way into a little bit of sunshine. So what's ahead? Rain to snow showers with winds gusting 40 to 45. And as I mentioned, I think the strongest wind gusts will probably get in here during the day tomorrow, anywhere from late morning through the early afternoon. As the arrival of that cold air gets in, we'll probably be able to mix down some of those higher end wind gusts. So for right now, we're at 57 with a sustained wind at 16. Good sleeping weather, as I call it, through the night tonight. And again, it gets a little gustier with the winds towards daybreak. 47 for your low as the rain has arrived. It stays mild all night. 57, that's your high tomorrow. It comes at midnight tonight. Temperatures will fall through the day tomorrow as cold winds bring in chilly air. And in fact, temperatures will drop significantly after lunchtime. And I think as early as 5 or 6, we could see some snow mixing in with some of that rainfall. 7-day forecast looks like this: 43 Thursday, 50 on Friday. Spring forward Saturday night into Sunday with temperatures into the 40s. So a cool weekend with cold nights and then more spring-like next week.
All right, Kevin, thank you so much. Well, still to come.